Jah Rastafari. Science lesson 1. Porting out cylinders. Porting your cylinder only works if you have a window piston. If you don't have a window piston, don't even make sense to port your cylinder. Irie, these two cylinders I bought are the same. Straight from the factory. All of them come out the factory just like this, all the machine. Now we got the same cylinder from the factory, but now I did port work on it. You can see how much I put out that hole there. More gas, more speed. Put it out there too for the muffler. You gotta put out the insides right here. You gotta know what you're doing because you can mess these up. You can't over port because you can mess the cylinder up. You gotta do exactly, get it right exact. So if you have an old cylinder, you have to practice on it, or you're gonna blow up mess up your cylinder. I mean. So you can see that they're good. So pour it out straight from the factory. See, look at my about that much off of my finger from the port work. Look at that. Can't even get my finger in there. Same with the muffler. Right there. Anyway, Irie, as you were.